Welcome to you all. In this video, I will share about the interactive platform that enables teachers to boost the participant in class. It can be used for video conference, training session, live learning, distance learning, or also can be used for business purpose. It is also called ART, Audience Response Tool. The questions are displayed on a mobile laptop device and answers are shown on a central screen. It is the interactive solution that makes the teaching learning activities awesome and effective. It is most useful for a teacher. How to use it? So, to use this interactive platform, click on Create Event. One of the interface are shown in left top corner, My New Event. So you can name the event like General and click on Save button. And right corner there is a URL code. We can change the URL code uh, if we want. Like click on tick button. Then our URL code and topic are ready. Then we can create a multiple choice question by clicking multiple choice question. Like clicking multiple choice question like who is, option may be A, maybe B. For more option, click plus button C and D, any one. Click on right answer and then click on save button. Then our MCQ is ready. Which premises we can start or we can uh, delete or copy the direct link or export is ready. Similarly, we can create poll, find image, rating, open question, wooclap, open question like open question, right, then click on save button. Another open question is ready. And matching question, sorting, fill in the blanks question, slide. We can add also slide, brainstorming question, audio, video. Then we can add the presentation. We can add presentation, PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slide, maximum 50 MB. Click on add. Then we can add the PDF. Then click on OK button. We can start. By clicking start button, click on question, participation username, or we can mode setting. The answer can be converted into export result to Excel or report. Replace. We can show the message in walls in central screen. Then participation space, we can provide their homework assignment by questionnaire or file. After completing the creating question, multiple choice, polls, find image, open question, fill in the blanks, audio, video, matching, slide. Then we launch the question to invite the learner to connect URL and how to participate. By providing them this URL code, we can start our interactive learning platform. It is easily integrate with PowerPoint, PDF, Google Slide. This is a free of cost for all. It allows teacher and trainer to measure the students' understanding of the session real time. It supports the 6 languages English, French, German, Russian, Dutch, Spanish. It increases the level of participation by SMS. It shows the activities and we can See the result, great result list or cloud. The most powerful interactive platform. It is called wooclap. Thanks for watching this video.